What's up, traders? I hope your trading journey is going good. And so today we are with a very good strategy to make your journey even more better. In this video, we are going to tell you a strategy of 1 minute. So let's begin. First of all, come to this candle time frame and select your candle time frame of 1 minute, and then change your trade expiry time of 1 minute as well. Now, after doing this, what indicators are you going to use? Come to the indicator section and select our first indicator, which is zigzag indicator. And yes, this is the only indicator that we are going to use. Come to settings and keep the values like this. Now come to style and change the color as per your choice and increase the size to its 3 pixels, and then save this. So this is the one indicator. Now another thing which we are going to use is come to this drawing section and select your Fibonacci retracement tool. So this is the another tool which we are going to use. Now there are only 3 levels which we have to check in this tool. This must be looking a bit confusing, but let me clear this out. So first thing which we have to see is this 0.618 level, second thing is 0.5 level, and the third is 0.382 level. Only these 3 levels you have to see in this tool, and you have to place level 1 on high and level 0 on low. Now how you have to do this, let's begin with this. Now before start, let me clear you some points. First thing is market must be in a trend. Means if the market is in downtrend, then market will form lower low and lower highs and lower low and lower highs like this, and then only will take down entry. And if the market is in uptrend, then market will make higher highs and higher lows, and the other higher highs and the higher lows. So we'll take up entry. So this is the momentum of market. Now let me take entry and show you how to use zigzag and Fibonacci together. Here we are with the first entry in the downward direction. So what I did is I selected the Fibonacci retracement tool and placed the first level on the recent high and 0 level on the recent low. Now if market will reject from any of the 3 levels, like I told you, first level is the 0.38, second level is 0.5, and the third level is 0.618. If market gives a rejection from any of these 3 levels, then we have to take an entry for a down direction. So let's wait for rejection. And you can see this candle is giving us a bit of rejection. So let's see. And here you can see the previous candle gave us a rejection and formed down, which shows that yes, market take rejection from this level by touching this 0.38 level. So we should have to place the entry for the down direction on the next candle, like I did of 1 minute. Let's see what the result is going to be. Now you must be thinking this as a bit of confusing, but don't worry, in this video, I'll reveal every single thing and will explain all the parts that will clear your confusion. So you can see the entry is in our favor because the market was already in a downtrend. But how we know that the market is in downtrend? Because this is a higher low and this is a lower low, and again this is a higher low. And if market is in downtrend, then this will form again a lower low, which is below this low. So that's how you have to consider the market is in a downtrend. So here I got an entry for the up direction and I took the entry here. Now let me explain you even more better. First thing you have to see is market is going in an uptrend. Now how you know market is going in an uptrend? Because market was forming this pattern, which is higher low and higher high, and then a higher low and higher high, and again a higher low and higher high. Now if you are confusing in this, then let us know in the comments section. We will make a dedicated video of this for you guys. So you can see the market took rejection from this 0.5 level here. That's why I took the entry. Let's wait for the result and move forward. And the outcome is as we expected. Guys, I also have a free learning community on Telegram where I share chart breakdowns and market ideas for educational purposes only. If you want to learn more and discuss strategies with others, the link is in the description. So here I am getting opportunity for a down entry, and I place the entry here. Now let me explain you the trend first. So as you can see, this is the lower low, lower high and lower low, lower high, and this is last lower low. Now it shows that the market is in downtrend, so we have to place the Fibonacci retracement tool from the recent lower high to the recent last lower low, which is these 2 points. So I kept the first number on the here and the 0 level on here. And now what we have to do is we have to check the three things, which is 0.382 level, 0.5 level, and the 0.618 level. Only these three levels we have to see and ignore everything else. Now you can see this green candle gave a long wick in the upward direction, just on this 0.382 level, which shows that yes, the pressure of seller is taking place in the market again, and as the market is already in a downtrend, this gives us double confirmation. That's why I took an entry on the next candle, and you can see the entry is in our favor. And if this seems a bit confusing, then you can take trade after the formation of one confirmation candle in your trend direction and then take entry. So let's move forward to another entry. Tips to consider. 1. Use candlestick confirmations at Fibonacci levels to increase accuracy. 2. Mark the setup on trending market only. 3. Set your entry at the moment of the bounce from Fibonacci zone. So here we are with the entry of up direction, and as the market is in a uptrend. And without the knowledge of higher highs and higher lows, you can see with the help of zigzag indicator that the market is in a uptrend. So if you are a beginner, then don't worry about that, because zigzag indicator is going to help you out. Now after this, we have to place the Fibonacci retracement tool on both the recent turning points of the zigzag indicator. By clicking on this brush icon, you can take the Fibonacci retracement tool from there. Now, after setting it, we have to check three levels, which is 0.618, 0.5 and the 0.382, that from which level market is taking rejection. And here, the market took rejection from this 0.5 level, as this red wick gave us a rejection. We could have taken entry on the next candle, but that would be a martingale win. As we took the entry on the next candle, which is here, so let's see what the result is going to be of this entry. Only a few seconds are left for the hour entry to be closed. And you can see, guys, the entry is in our favor, so this is a very high win rate indicator strategy if you practice it properly in demo. So here I got opportunity for the down direction, so we have to place the Fibonacci retracement tool from the recent lower high to the recent last lower low. And waiting for rejection candle, so let's wait a bit for the rejection candle. Till then, we can check the other markets as well. So okay, here you can see that I got rejection candle from this 0.618 level. So that's why I took a entry on the next candle. Let's wait for the outcome of the entry, my friends. Only a few seconds are left. But unfortunately, you can see the entry is lost, and it gave us this big error green candle, which is not a big issue because we have already made 4 to 5 wins in a continuous row. And losses are a very obvious part in our trading because they teach us that how we have to control our emotions by not getting too greedy. So without falling in the trap of greediness, let's end this good win rate strategy video. Because we have already made enough win entries today, so learn to close your day even if your last entry is loss. Common mistakes to avoid. 1. Don't trade when price is near extreme 0% or 100% Fibonacci levels 2. Avoid trades if no clear zigzag swing points are forming, means flat market. 3. Don't chase breakouts. Wait for retracement plus confirmation at Fibonacci level. If you find this strategy helpful for the educational purpose, then please like this video, subscribe our channel, and if you have any query, then please ask in the comment section. Meet you again soon. Till then, use proper risk management and do your own testing.